Here we are looking at the Hornby Dublo footbridge and comparing it to the Crescent Models footbridge. This Hornby Dublo Models footbridge is finished in beige, whereas the Crescent Models one is finished in green. The two bridges are extremely similar in construction, and they're both held in place by these held in place by a screw and a nut underneath, which means you can disassemble them and they come flat backed. This one, it says Meccano, made in England, but whereas the Crescent one, it doesn't have any thing on there. They are supplied with smoke deflectors, which I have removed because they were made of sharp metal, which you could easily cut yourself on. The main distinction between these two is that on this one, this side section can be removed, which means that the stairs can be assembled facing the other way, which means if you want to have a platform such as Rye, it means that you can use this footbridge to represent that station. What I'm going to do now is just dismantle this, unscrew this screw here, just to show you how the thing works. We unscrew this. Now when we get this unscrewed, it isn't easy on camera. That piece comes away, and then that allows this stairs to be released. But you can see here that this can be removed. We can take this piece out like that, and take this piece out like that. We can put it in the other side. Like that. Which means that if we like, we can assemble the footbridge with the staircase facing this way, or indeed this way. And so it's more flexible than the Dublo footbridge, which can only be assembled one way. I'm now going to reassemble this. We've now reassembled this, and you can see we've got the staircases going in opposite directions. So now we can go and put this on the layout. There we go. Put that there. It's not possible to represent Rye Station exactly as it appears because there isn't enough room on this base floor, but nevertheless it's possible to create, using this Crescent footbridge, it's possible to create a model that looks a partial representation of Rye Station. At Rye Station there is this shelter which is similar to this Hornby model, and this footbridge, this one is finished in green, but the one at Rye Station is finished in concrete colour. Well, obviously it is concrete. This Hornby Scaledale item is a representation of Rye Station. At Rye Station the signal box is opposite the station building. In the case of this layout, we can't replicate having the signal box directly opposite the station building because we haven't got room, but nevertheless we can make a layout which is there also is a fishing boat and net shops in the vicinity. This scenecraft item from Bachmann is representative of Rye Church, and over here we've got a Scaledale Tower which is representative of the Ypres Tower at Rye, and here we've got the windmill from the Scaledale range. This windmill is finished in black. They did issue a white one which is more similar to the mill at Rye, Rye Mill burnt down in a fire, and what's been built there is a replica, so it doesn't actually look. This is a correct representation of a post mill, but the one at Rye is a reproduction. It's not correct. So if you get this mill, it's more correct than the real thing. Here we've used the Hornby Dublo footbridge in preference to the plastic Hornby one, because the plastic Hornby one is actually too large to be a platform. Here we've got the Hornby footbridge, but if we put the Hornby Dublo one down beside, you can see that it's smaller. From this angle you can see that if the Hornby Dublo footbridge is placed on a station platform, then it would be too high above the trains, and that's why this footbridge is actually better.